So I really hadn't decided which loop I want to do. I think I might try Thompson, maybe, or Mouse Creek. Anyway, I like our little setup. I wonder where that road went. Okay, so I'll tell you, Mouse Branch and Thompson's going that way, but I just kind of want to walk up here and see if there's any further information for hiking. That's what I mean. I know generally about mountain biking, you don't really want to ride the trails right after it's rained, and it rained yesterday and I think last night, so I just don't want to screw something up. Plus too, like, it being wet, that means it'd be more slippery and stuff, and I worry about falling, so we'll just hike it today. Okay, so you got a nice little, I guess, nice parking area here, picnic tables and trash cans. Looks like bathrooms too. Okay, so here's the actual trailhead for the left and right loop. So you got a nice, like, bike repair station. A little pump to do your tires. Oh, and they got like a backwash area too. Okay, so here's the different campgrounds and stuff in the area. So we're at Solly. There's 42 sites, like showers, flush toilets. Oh, okay, it is open in the winter, just without water. Which, embarrassingly, I could not get the water thing to come on, so we were down here, so right now we're here. So as you can see, like, these are some pretty good sized loops. Hikers may travel the trails any day. Okay, so it don't matter. Okay, cool. So the right loop's 11 miles. I don't think we got... Oh, okay, you can do 4 and 8 mile loops. 11. Left loop, you just got the one, 11.9. Mouse Branch is 9. Thompson loop is 7.7. Okay, so we might go ahead and do the right loop and just maybe do one of these connector trails. Okay, cool. Cool. So, obviously we're camped here. So yeah, here's the, like, water spigot that I couldn't figure out how to operate. I mean, I just don't know how to operate that. Okay. Got a trash can, fees. Okay, so how do you know how much the fee is? Oh, $2 per person. Hiking is, like I say, the day use is waived if you're camping here. So hunting is permitted on all national forests. Okay. Cool. So we'll go ahead and do the right loop and probably do one of the shortcuts. Oh, look at the butterfly. Alright, so here's the bathroom here at the trailhead. Pretty nice. Alright. Let's go. So from the campsite to here is 0.47. Oh, it's right there. Okay, so here's the backwash station. I mean, honestly, you could probably just use that as an outdoor shower. So, you go left loop, right loop, we're going right. So this is 0.5. So that's the left loop connector, which is a 1/4 mile long. And then you take the road 2 miles and then left on the loop 8.2. This little side trail is at 0.89. Maybe this is just a bathroom trail. I guess it look no. Okay, so I don't know exactly where this goes. It's not on the map. So at 0.92, we're turning around. 0.94, we're back on the main trail. Nice view of the lake through the trees here at 1.46. I wonder if there's some better spots to get down to the lake. But that one's at 1.63. You want to go down there and check it out? This is at 1.67. Come on, bring it here. Sally's having her a nice swim. Ready? Ready to go? Let's get going on the trail. Oh, don't come up here and shake on me. No, no, no. Are you pleased with yourself? No. You just can't quite get it, can you? Back on the trail, 1.68. There's a good girl. So it's like there's no little path down to the lake, 1.71. I see that through the trees. It's like right in here. That's the boat ramp that we kind of drove into earlier this morning when we were trying to find the campground. So not a lot of access there to the water. That was like a pretty steep drop. Sally's like, hey, I'll go for it. So mixed me up some raspberry salt element drink because I'd ordered their variety pack so I could try some of the different flavors other than the lime, which I really like. And I think I've tried all the flavors, maybe except orange so far. And watermelon was great. If you like the salted watermelon Cliff Blocks, you'll love that. But the raspberry, so I continue to really enjoy Element, so I'm glad I gave it a try. But man, it's just a gorgeous day to be on the trail. Alright, so at the 2 mile, well over 2 mile, 2.04, there's a marker here for the right loop, 1.5 in. I would say that's probably pretty accurate because we were about a half mile or over that before we started, so that's pretty accurate. But that's the first one of those I've seen, so I don't know what the spacing is of them. But but maybe people are going off down that way, but that looks steep. So I think we'll probably just keep going. It definitely looks like a popular spot though. This is at 2.54. What's down here? What's down here? Go. I remember people are just using the bathroom here. It'd be cool if they cleared this out and put like a, some sort of like lookout. A wide spot here in the trail, 2.71. Sally, you got spiderweb all over your face. I don't know if this is the shortcut or not. 2.82. Let me check the map. Alright, so at 2.82, there's a trail on the left and right. There's nothing shown on Gaia, so I'm assuming that's the main trail. Maybe this just goes up to a viewpoint. Maybe in the winter time there's a view here. I mean, that was short. That was like 2.85 up there, or 84. Back on the main trail, 2.85. So here's the second mile marker I've seen, 2.5. It's continuing to be right on track, 3.04 for me. Like I say, I had that half mile, walk from the campground, so. But once we got started down this, like it's almost like graded like an old road where it's up and then it's kind of like a little divot and then another up. It's been kind of slick, like muddy. On this side's definitely a lot rockier. So at 3.11, there's a shortcut going up the hill. But this is not the shortcut that they're referring to, I don't think, on the map. Because it's not even on Avenza. Like, and I definitely don't want to walk through that, so we will stay to the right. And that was at 3.12. Go, sweetie. Yeah. Is that a snake? That is a snake. Pretty sure that's a snake. It's a big snake. Big old black snake, I think. No, don't come this way. No, quit that. Sally, back up. Back up. Sally, back up. Come on. Crap, and your thing don't have a handle on it, does it, Sally? I don't know if y'all can see. He's kind of climbed the bank. And now he's just like... And he's slithering toward me. Okay, let's see if we can go around. Sally is watching with keen interest. We're not doing it. Come on. Come on. I'm over here. Come on. Leave it. Leave it. Come on. Come on. Leave it. Go. 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 Thank you for letting us pass. I appreciate it. Mile mark. 3.55, so it is consistent. clouds over that way. Where did you come from? Sally, be nice. Be nice. Well, you're a pretty boy. No, Sally, it's fine. It's fine. Good girl. Stay friendly. Stay. Okay, go to your owners. Go to your owners. No, Sally. No, with that. Sally, come here. That's her.
Sorry.
It's okay. They already said hi, so. Y'all have a good one.
You too.
Yeah, so that last little clip, there was a dog. It just appeared out of nowhere. Like, but their owners was a little bit further back. But I mean, I say I don't have a problem with off leash, but at least be close enough. Like, if you come upon people, you can. Your dog. I mean, it was fine. It was friendly, but it was just like you need to be a little closer to your dog. There's a really pretty section of trail here. Is at 3.73. Oh no. Okay. This little mud pit's at 3.88. Alright, so here's the first connector trail. I've decided to just keep going to the second connector trail because I feel pretty good. And looks like the storm may fizzle out, so we're just going to keep going. Okay, so this is at 4.01. So we're here, obviously. And we're just going to keep walking and take this right loop alternate is 0.6. I think all total from here around this connector and back to here, I think it was about 4 more miles. So end up probably with about 8.5 miles total, maybe. So we probably got another 3 hours of walking. But anyway, 4.01. That's the first blaze I've seen though on that tree right there. I've not been seeing that. At a mile mark, 3.5, so right on target. So here's a little stream crossing. Get you some water, Sally girl. This is at 4.27. And the stream here at 4.38. Oh my gosh, Sally, you're a mud mess. You're a muddy. Oh my goodness. Come here. Show yourself. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ain't no hiding that. Come on. Don't you shake either. Stay. Look at that. Okay. Mile 4. is, Allie? This is it, 4.88. Four and a half. So here's like a little sign, 5.08. Kind of topped out on this ridge here at 5.24. I say topped out, but then there's another hill. Five miles. That was a little more used, a little closed to bikes and horses. This is at 5.53, but I don't think this is the shortcut. No, it's not on the map. So we'll keep going. We're not far from where we take a left, and then it's like we'll go straight to stay on the shortcut. So. Do y'all ever have like deja vu moments on the trail where it's like you feel like you've been here but you know you haven't? Like maybe it's been in a dream or something, and it's like you're walking along and it's like, whoa. I just had one of those moments because it's like this just felt really familiar and just like I'd been here, but I've never been here. Just kind of one of those crazy moments on trail. But this is beautiful, and it's especially nice since we got up here and got a breeze. Because when we was kind of coming up that climb, that wasn't that much of a breeze. So definitely grateful for the breeze. But I mean, I'm surprised you can't really see the. Oh, now you can kind of start seeing the lake a little bit. But really, we hadn't been seeing it. Seems like this would be a great place to come in the winter time, because then the leaves would be off the tree and you'd have the nice winter views. Okay. Alright, so here is our shortcut, I do believe. Well, it's not a shortcut, I guess we're staying on the right loop for now. Because this goes out, and I think there's like a nice viewpoint out here, but that's like another. It says 0.15 to the overlook. Oh, I bet it's that dark trail. Okay, that's not all that. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna walk this and take a shortcut and walk down. So we'll do that. So this is at 5.92. We'll say it don't look like any cyclists have rode lately, because I haven't seen too many tire tread marks. Okay, so I think, yeah, this is the split with the trail. Six miles. So that loop stays straight. Oh, okay, this ain't the short. Oh, I wonder if this is the other end of that road we saw earlier. Or maybe we are. Alright, no. So I'm pretty sure this is our shortcut. It's 6.43 according to AllTrails and our location on Gaia. It's just kind of weird because the last shortcut was actually like marked, but this one isn't. So I'm gonna walk down here a little bit until it like snakes, like it switchbacks, and I know if we get on the switchback, we're on the wrong trail. So, because I don't see another trail anywhere. It's just kind of crazy because the other shortcut was marked. Yeah, see, and it's going. Okay, so yeah, we're going to go back. So it's 6.46. Yeah, and it shows now we're off of it. But you can see the right loop does the switchback, whereas the shortcut doesn't. So hopefully that shortcut is well traveled. It don't look as well traveled as the last one did, so I'm kind of worried about that. But we'll try it. As you're coming down, it's on your left, but when we went down there, it's on our right. So we will try this, I guess. So 6.49, we're taking the supposed shortcut. We'll see. It does look like it's used, so that gives me some hope. And I think this is about 5/8 or 3/4 of a mile, something like that. I don't like the grass. Yeah, see, I wonder if this is the road we saw from the trail up there, then maybe this is the one everybody rides down instead of that one. Alright, so this is at 6.65. Gosh. It's interesting how it's kind of all grown up and everything up to this point. And now it's kind of like a regular like road. I wonder what this is. Oh. Huh. Well, I guess maybe they've moved the connector trail, because it don't show that the connector trail comes out here on AllTrails, or I don't even think Gaia showed it here either. So I wonder if they've rerouted it. That's why there was no sign down there for the connector trail. It doesn't matter. We survived. But this is at 6.78. So now I'm kind of interested to wonder like how far around that connector trail was. Because it couldn't have been far. But anyway, we'll stay straight here at 6.78. It is nice that they have like some blazing, so there. So if anybody knows if they've actually rerouted the trail, because it's just kind of odd that both AllTrails and Gaia show it being in a different spot. So, and like I say, there's no map really, you know. Well, I guess there is. I don't know. But I enjoyed it. It's still a nice trail. Mud puddles at 6.95. Alright, so now we go left. So currently here, so we got this gray line, gray left. So point to point, that's 2, so we should have like about a mile. This is at 7.11. County Line Road. I will say, like, the weather has really held out today for us, because it has been showing these rain things like all to our west, like pretty much all day. So I thought for sure we was going to get rained on before we even got back to camp, doing even the short route that we had intended, and or shorter. And yeah, it has really held out. You know, so I'm grateful that the rain has kind of stayed where it has, and hopefully, you know, it'll continue just kind of peter out west of us so that we can have a fire. Because I did bring firewood and all that, and I was really looking forward to some roasted marshmallows. Of course, I can eat marshmallows plain, but yeah, always better warmed up with a little toast on them. But anyway, I'll just keep walking down this road. It's not too bad. I'm glad it ain't all grown up. How you doing, Sal? So it looks like maybe they rerouted this second alternate trail because it's showing we're past it. That's definitely the trail. So to this point, 7.74. And I just found a 4-leaf clover. Y'all see that or not? 'Cause I never find these things, so I was just super stoked that I actually found one. Alright, so we're almost back to the main parking area. There's the gate at 8.22 Sally Stop. County Line Road. And I think you come out on this other end of this parking area that we walked through earlier, where there was bathrooms and stuff. Huh, I thought it would be. No, this is a different trail. It's a different, yeah, okay. So now we need to take the yellow trail to get back to where we started. So I guess we need to go over there. So I think this is the horse trailer parking area. Let's see. So this was at 8.27. So apparently the left loop split to the left before you got to the gate. I just didn't see it. Because I really didn't want to walk the road. Oh, okay. So we're going to go back because I don't want to road walk anymore. But I didn't see that it was marked. Maybe it was, I just didn't see it. So I don't think that would be it. But it looked like there was a trail going up this hill right here. Like I say, it's not marked, so you wouldn't really expect there to actually be a trail here. Like I say, this is not really clear, but at least AllTrails has me on it, I think. So we're gonna go this way. So we're on this 8.32. So I say I didn't see a trail coming up the hill here from above the gate. So this may be another reroute or something, maybe. This is definitely used. Yeah, so now it shows we're on it. Weird. Okay. I was just done road walking. It's hard on my... I guess to be old after a while. But one thing I will note is, as for cell phone service, it's been kind of intermittent. It seems like the ridge, if you're on the other side of this ridge, you have cell phone signal, like pretty good 2 to 3 bars, but you get on this side, it's like 1 bar and it barely loads or does anything other than maybe send like a simple text. But because even in the campground I've got at most 1 bar, so don't bank on being able to stream movies or anything. So but alright, So here we are back with the right loop, 8.52. So take a right. I swear it seems like I smell campfire cooking. I smell food. Actually, people cooking dinner. It is about that time. It's 5:15. So here we are back in the parking lot. So we'll make our way back to camp from here. I kind of want to figure out this. I know, I can't figure this thing out. So I can't get the drinking water thing to come on, so I spun it left all the way, I spun it right. I just don't know. Anyway, we'll make our way to camp from here. The trail itself was really nice. The first half was, of course, pretty close to the lake and stuff, so that was really nice. And then the ridge walk actually wasn't bad the last like 3 or 4 miles along the road. Yeah, it's just a nice little walk. I could imagine it being pretty stressful, you know, on days where there's bikes. But that'd probably be my advice is, you know, if just do whatever loop is popular with horses. That'd probably be a little more less stress inducing. But other than that, like, I really don't have much else to say. It was nice. We enjoyed it. Found Sally a little swimming hole. There was another little place there, but another couple had already got in there and started swimming around. So, but anyway, we'll make our way to camp. But enjoyed it, and we'll show y'all camp life here in a little bit. Okay, so if we had a road walkway to come out here, 8.65. Alright, so we might do that tomorrow, maybe.